So here this is about myself. I hope you already know, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to connect it with us. And this is the 45 days crash course going on, where we are going to cover the 90 session total computer science we are covering here. 5:30 a.m. morning slot is going on and 6:45 p.m. evening slot. 5:30 a.m. one class, one topic, and 6:45 p.m. another topic. That is two topic parallelly we are doing, so that 90 session I am going to allocate you. And here I have created the playlist also. If you are going to here, you can see the 45 days playlist in the home page. Those who are watching recording, or if you missed the previous classes, then you can watch the recording by click on this playlist. If you click on this playlist, you can see here only all the classes will be added. Whatever classes I am taking, this will be added here. Okay, you can see 45 days after that, this yesterday whatever classes I took, it is added here. So all the classes one by one it will be added here, so you can follow this class. And whenever you are not getting link or something, upcoming class also it will show here. See that it is showing live now. Upcoming all the classes will be show here only. And in this channel also upcoming live session it is showing. See that upcoming live session, past live stream, everything you can see here. So in that way you can join. Some of the students are asking for that, ki ma'am how to join. So that's why I guide you in this way. You can join here. Okay, this is the way how you can join. Chalo, now let's start. Here yesterday we did this topic. Now we will do the next topic. So in our next topic, these are I hope clear, what are the graph and what we have to do, and the questions we did also, the complement graph. This was the home task. The home task is done. The home task is done. You did the home task? Yes or no? You did all this home task. This was the home task, and answer of the home task is this is 16 and this is 17. And in this way you have to do the home task. And I already uploaded the PDF also in our app. Be connected with the app. Component, this question we solved yesterday. And now we are going to do the next topic, that is spanning tree. This is very important topic, spanning tree, that we are going to do here. Okay, very good. Yes, done. Very good. Spanning tree is a 5-star topic. It is a 5-star topic, spanning tree. Questions are always coming from here, always. So that's why very carefully learn the spanning tree and practice spanning tree. Spanning tree means what? Here theoretical concept means they will provide you graph where you have to do the spanning tree. Everything's are coming. So the spanning tree is the subset of graph G which has all the vertices covered with the minimum possible number of edge. Here is the main point, minimum possible number of edge. Hence a spanning tree does not have a cycle. Always remember, whenever you are telling about tree there will be no cycle. Cycle is not possible. That is tree. There will be no cycle. Okay. And another thing is it cannot be disconnected also. Spanning tree means it cannot be disconnected also. So you have to draw a spanning tree with a minimum number of edges so that it will be connected. It will be connected. That is called spanning tree. Okay. So at least one spanning tree. There will be multiple spanning tree possible. In a graph there are multiple number of spanning tree possible. Here you can see this is a graph. In this graph there are 3 spanning trees possible. 3 different way we can draw the spanning tree. If I am adding this one, then it will create a cycle. If I am adding this one, then also it is creating a cycle. If I am adding this one, then also it is creating a cycle. So spanning tree number of edges will be always n-1. Write it down in your notebook. Always come to the class with your notebook, and I hope you already purchase your notebook, right? I told you at least purchase 10 notebooks and for different unit at least, and every time come to the class with your pen and paper. I hope you are following that. That is very important. Okay, so in a spanning tree, how many edges are there? Should be there n minus 1 edges. You can see there are total 3 vertices. That's why in every spanning tree there are 2 edges, right? And we found 3 spanning tree here. And number of spanning tree, how many possible number of spanning trees are possible? That is n to the power n minus 2. Very important questions are coming from here. Okay, n to the power n minus 2 spanning trees are possible here. That's why here is 3. So how many spanning tree you draw? 3 spanning tree are possible here. These 2 formulas are very important. Am I audible? Am I audible? I hope it's fine now. Sometimes some network issues are happening. Sometimes the network issues are happening. Okay. So spanning tree. Yes, this is the spanning tree. All the properties of spanning tree. Yes, all the properties of spanning tree. What are the properties? Have more than one tree, more than one spanning tree will be possible. Number of edges and vertices will be same. There will be no cycle. Main concept is this one, that is minimally connected and maximally acyclic. Means what? The meaning is that previously we took 3 vertices, and whenever I am drawing, this is a spanning tree. If I am removing any one of the edge, then it will be disconnected, because if you are removing this one, if I am erasing this edge, then the graph is disconnected. Is it or not? Then the graph will be disconnected. That's why it is called minimally connected. Now if I am doing like this, that is this one. After that, if I am adding any one extra, this one if I am adding extra, then it will create a cycle. That's why it is called minimally connected and maximally acyclic. Write it down in your notebook. Spanning tree is minimally connected, maximally acyclic. Very important for the statement type question. Nowadays statement type questions are coming, right? So for the statement type question, these are important. So here n minus 1 edges, and by removing e minus n plus 1 edge, by removing e minus n plus 1 edge, you are able to construct the spanning tree. How it is coming? See that here total n minus 1 is possible. So if there are total number of edges are e, and I have n minus 1 edge, so how many edges we remove? That is e minus, definitely this will be e minus n plus 1, right? This will be e minus n plus 1. That is the formula. So there are n minus 1 edges and e minus n plus 1 edge. By removing, how many edges we are removing? Here in this graph there was 3 edges. So e minus n plus 1 means 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. That is you are removing. Is it? Is this? No, you are not removing that. E minus n plus 1. E minus n plus 1. By removing this much edges, you can do this. E minus n plus 1. So yes, 3 minus 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. No, that is not. By removing we can construct the spanning tree. Here this is not matching. Exactly, here this is not matching, right? Yes. E minus n plus 1, that will be not, that will be minus 1. E minus n minus 1 if I am doing, then that will be E is 3 minus 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. Yes, 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 right. So here you can do E minus n minus 1. E minus n minus 1, then it will be, we can do that 3 minus 3 plus 1. Yes, we are correct. Here see that it is E minus n plus 1 if I am doing. So 3 minus 3 plus 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0 plus 1, right? That's why 1. Right? Not complete. Here we did the mistake. We have to do the minus plus. E minus plus 1. 3 minus 3 plus 1, that is 1. Clear? Clear? Not complete graph. For every graph it will be 3 minus 3 will be 0, then plus 1. Got it? Here we are doing mistake. Definitely we have to follow the order. We have to follow the order, right? By removing only one edge. That's why we are removing here one edge. 3 minus 3 plus 1. So 3 minus 3 means 0 plus 1. Okay, so precedents are very important. Precedents are very important. There we are doing mistake. Clear? Clear? Yes, always whenever you are learning concept, then verify it. Why I am telling, then verify it. Verify. If you are verifying, then you are able to remember. Otherwise they will be forgot. Otherwise after some time you cannot remember it. So always verify it. Is it coming or not? And n into n to the power. N to the power n minus 1. Clear? Yes. Now where we are using it, that is civil networking purpose for routing protocol and cluster analysis. Graph is very much related to network. Ultimately the graph concept we are using in network also. Very much related. Okay. Now we are going to learn two algorithms, that is Kruskal's and Prim's. What are the main difference between Kruskal's and Prim's? How Kruskal and Prim is working, that is we will discuss here. Prim's algorithm and Kruskal's algorithm. So all of you be concentrate here, everyone concentrate here, so that you can understand very easily. I am going to tell you, but must concentrate. And it is what type of algorithm? Greedy algorithm. What is greedy? Greedy means always trying to do in a minimum cost. Minimum cost, that is the greedy. So always you are greedy means with less cost you are, if you are getting something, then you are feeling happy. If someone is giving you course for very costly, then you cannot take it. But if you are getting a very less amount the course, then you will be that you can afford, right? So that's why greedy means minimum cost. So here how it is focusing. Kruskal algorithm, what are the main difference between Kruskal and Prim's? I am telling you. Kruskal is focusing on edge completely of the graph. Prim's will start with a vertex, with a specific vertex, that is you can remember with point. Point means vertex. That is the short trick to remember. Prim's will start with a specific vertex and then it will go on. Kruskal will make a list of all edges out of the graph, then it will be going on. This is the short trick to remember. Prim's you can remember with point. Point means vertex. Okay. So here you can see the Kruskal, how the Kruskal algorithms are working. Kruskal algorithm is working. First of all, it will be the simple graph. Simple graph means yesterday I told there will be no loop, no parallel edge. No loop, no parallel edge will be there. Okay. Yes. So if there are any parallel edge, if there are any loop, then remove it. Remove all the loops and parallel edges first. After that, out of that whatever given in the graph, make a list of edges. Make a list of edges according to the cost in ascending order. You have to make a list according to the cost in ascending order. Okay. After that, choose one by one. Like that, you will choose one by one edge, which one is minimum and which is not creating cycle. When you can stop, when n-1 edges are done, then you can stop. Okay. Yes. Hi Minachi, Nila. Hi Nila. How are you? Chalo. Here you can see it is an example. From this example, this will be clear to you. You can see the graph. Here it is a graph. This is the graph. Okay. So in this graph, you can see what it is. I have to make a list in ascending order first. I have to make a list in ascending order. So here I am making the list. See that. This is the BC. BC is 1. BC is 1 here. Then after that CE, that is also 1. CD, that is all 2. BA 3. DE 3. AD 4. BE 4. So I make the list in ascending order. After that, what I have to do? One by one, as per minimum weight, we are going to choose. So which one is the minimum? This one is also minimum. This one is also minimum. That's why there are two possibilities. Either I can start with BC, that is 1, or I can start with CE also. CE means I can start with this one also, that is CE. Two possibilities are there, very important. You have to understand there are two possibilities, BC and CE. Okay. Then what it will be? Then after that you can see E as I have added here. So what is the sequence? BC, then CE, or here CE can be start. After that I can add BC. Both are correct. This sequence is also correct. This sequence is also correct. Okay. So here I can do CE. Now what I can do? Here I am making actually two. Okay. Two separate one. So here I am doing CD. Next one is I can add CD. So next one here will be CD. Here also I can add CD. Okay. Yes, here it is B. So after that I can add CD here. I can add CD here. Now next one. BA. BA is 3. So now I can add BA here. That is 3. Here also I can add BA. That is 3. So here is BA. Here is also BA. Can I add more? Should we continue? No. Already n-1 edges are done. How many vertices was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices are there. 5 minus 1, 4. Already 4 edges are done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already 4 edges are done. So that's why now you can stop. And this is your order. If in the option this one is given, that is also correct. If in the option this one is given, that is also correct. Both are correct answer here. Okay. BC, CE. Sometimes some network issue may be because of that. Now it's fine. Sometimes it's happening. Sometimes it's happening because of maybe little bit network drop, because it's raining, that's why. Okay, yes. Now see, now the Prim's algorithm, how the Prim's algorithm are working. Prim's algorithm is also, first of all, you have to remove loops and parallel edge. Remove loops and parallel edge. Then choose any arbitrary node. Here you can choose any one. And then you have to start from that only. How it is? You can see this one. This is the graph. I took this graph. So here you can see, here is a parallel edge, right? This is a parallel edge here. Here is a parallel edge, right? And here is a loop also. So first of all, I have to, can we consider what you want to consider? There is 7 edges. What do you want to consider? For the example, there are 7 edges. 7 edges, not vertices. You have to think about vertices. Edges, n is vertices. N is number of vertices, not the edges. Number of vertices. N equals to 5. That's why 5 minus 1 is 4. N is not the number of edges. N is always number of vertices. E is equals to number of edges. Got it? Okay. Anita. Clear? DE vertex. Ma'am, can we consider DE? Can we consider DE? Yes, you can consider DE. If you are not taking BA, then you can consider DE also. Yes, that is also possible. Like this way you can do. Yes, here you can do it. I am showing you. That is also you can consider. If you are taking, there are so many possibilities are there. If you are taking, first of all, I am taking maybe BC. Okay, BC is 1. Then after that I am taking CE. C is also 1. Now after that next one is CD. So CD is 2. That is we took. Now this is also 3, this is also 3. BA is also 3, DE is also 3. If I am not taking BA, then can I take DE? DE can I take? It is creating cycle. DE if you are taking, this will create a cycle. That's why DE will not come. Got it, Anitha? DE will create a cycle. You can see that if I am adding DE, DE is creating cycle. So that's why you cannot take DE. Clear? Is this clear? DE is creating cycle and that's why you cannot take it. If it is not creating cycle, then you can take it. Okay? Clear? Susanya, I hope it is clear now. Okay. But ma'am, there are 5 vertices in both graph. Vertices will be 5, number of edges. Jasmine, try to understand. You have to cover all the vertices. Vertices you have to cover. There are all the vertices that you have to cover. 5 vertices definitely you have to cover. You have to cover always you are trying to make a connected graph, right? You are trying to make a connected graph. That's why all the vertices must be covered. Number of edges should be n minus 1. Number of edges should be n minus 1. That is total number of vertices minus 1. E equals to n minus 1. Number of edges in a spanning tree will be number of vertices minus 1. And that's why here are 5 vertices minus 1, that is 4. Clear? In question, weight will be given. Weight will be given always. Always weight will be given to you. Any other doubt you have? You have any other doubt? Clear? Yes. You cannot take that one which will create cycle. Because spanning tree means no cycle. I cannot create any cycle in spanning tree. Okay. If the same weight is there and it is not creating cycle, then definitely you can take that. All concepts clear? And multiple spanning trees are possible. There can be multiple spanning tree also. Okay. Yes. Anyone have any more doubt? So that we can go ahead to the next. If you don't have any doubt here, then we can move ahead to the next algorithm. Anyone have any more doubt? Clear to everyone? Clear? Full clear? Pakka? Okay, chalo. So now we are doing prims. So what is the difference? Very carefully everyone concentrate. Your concentration is very much important. If you are concentrating, then I can explain very quickly. Okay, concentrate everyone. There is a difference between prims and Kruskal. There is a difference. Okay, chalo. So here, whenever you are starting, you can see this graph. Draw this graph in your notebook first. Okay, spanning tree application is the spanning tree only. You are creating spanning tree. Spanning tree only application. Already I told in networking they are spanning tree application of the networking. In the spanning tree, that is the application. Two-way spanning tree we can draw in two way. That is, one way is prims, another way is Kruskal. Applications are same. Applications are in networking. That is same. But these are two different algorithms what we are using. Okay, ठीक है. So here draw this graph. First of all, everyone draw this graph in your notebook. Everyone draw it first. Then we will go ahead. Okay. Yes. Can we apply in AI? If in AI some networking thing you are doing, then you can. Where the spanning tree is required, then definitely you can. Okay. Wherever required spanning tree, then definitely you can use it. That is as per your requirement you have to use. What is your requirement? As per requirement, if you are doing any networking project and they are required spanning tree, so you can do it. Yes. Chalo. So is this done? Is this done? Yes. Here you can see one thing, that is, here is a loop. Here is 9, here is 6. This is a parallel edge. Whenever the parallel edge is there, first of all we have to remove parallel edge. Which one is less, I will take that. Which one is greater, we will remove that. So I am drawing this graph again. So here is A. I will take the 7, 9. This was 9, that is I am removing because it is creating parallel edge. Minimum one I will take, maximum one we will remove. So 6th one I am taking. Here was 9, I am removing directly. After that, here was a loop. This loop also we will remove because I have to take a simple graph first. So if there is any loop, that is also we will remove here. That is 8. This loop we are not taking. Okay, loop we are removing. Other than that, all other we will take. Means redraw the graph by removing parallel edge and the vertices, it is parallel edge and loop. If it is in Prim's, Kruskal, both you have to follow that. Okay, whenever you are doing spanning tree, in Kruskal also you have to follow this. Whenever there is anything, then you have to follow that. Okay, so this is, I redraw the graph by removing parallel edge and loop. Now what we will do? Now we have to this one 3. Now here no list of edges. Here you cannot create a ascending order, no list of edges, because here out of them you have to start from some vertices. It is not mandatory that you have to start from the S only. You can start from any one. You can start from here, you can start from here, you can start from here, here. Arbitrarily you have to choose any one of the vertex. That is your starting point. And in exam hall, whenever the option is given, in the option you can see which one is starting. You have to start with that. Okay, so I am starting with S. You can start with A also, you can start with B also. It's not mandatory that you have to start with S only. Any one of them you can start. So first of all, start with S. Whenever you are starting with S, now you will create the list. Now you can create the list. How to create? With the S, what are connected? Which one are connected with S? SA, that is 7. SA equals to 7, that is minimum one, and AC, that is 8. These two only available to you. You cannot write any other than that. Where I am and what are connected with me, what are available to me, I can do that only. Other part is not visible to me. Think like that. The other part is not visible to me. Only now in my available list, SA and SC is available to me. Where I am, through which I can take. Which one is minimum? Minimum is SA. That's why I will take here SA. Got it? That is 7 now. This is minimum. I will take SA. This is the one. Okay. After that what I will do? Now see that I have already visited A. As I have already visited A, what are available to me? I will make a list. Here AC is also available to me, 3. AB is also available to me, that is 6. Any other one is available? Now your available list is this all. These all are now available to you. Okay. Got it? Clear? Now AC and AB all are available to me. Now out of them, which one is minimum? This is minimum. AC, AB, SC. SC also you can consider. Out of this all, which one is available? Minimum, that is AC. That's why you will take AC. That is 3. So what is your sequence? SA, comma, AC. After that, now whenever you visit C, then what are the new edges available to you? New edges available to you, that is CD. CD is 3 and CB, that is 4. These both are available to you. This one is also available now. This one is also available now. As you have visited this all. Now this is your available list. These two we already took. These two already we took. Now out of this all, which one is minimum? Out of this one, this one, this one and this one. Which one is minimum? CD is the minimum one. So that's why I am going to choose CD. This one is the minimum. So take CD now. CD is 3. Whenever you have visited D, then what are available to you? Now see in the list. So here is the no space. That's why I am writing in the top. Okay. That's why I am writing in the top. Here if I am writing, it will hide. Here if I am writing, if it will hide, or I am writing here. After this I am writing here. Okay, okay. So now what is available to me, as I have visited D. So now dt equals to 2, db equals to 2. That is also available to me. Yes. So either I can take dt now. After AC we take CD. Now I can take dt. dt I can take whenever t is visited. Whenever t is visited, here I can take dt. Okay, or I can take db also. Here I can do SA, AC, CD, db also. That is also possible, either this one or this one. So I take dt. As I am here t, now which one is possible? That is TB. TB is 5. This is also available to me. Okay, this is also available to me. Now out of them, this is minimum. DB is the minimum. So I can take DB. Now you see that all the vertices are covered. Now just check, all the vertices are done. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. All the vertices you already covered. Now check it. How many edges are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges are done. How many vertices was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equals to 6. And already you did n minus 1, that is 5. So E number of 5 edges are done. Now you can stop. So your spanning tree is actually done. Now you can stop. So here you can write that dt after that db, or otherwise dp after that dt. This sequence is also correct. This sequence is also correct. There can be two sequences. Here dt db, here db dt. Got it? Is this clear? When to stop, how to draw. Here you will not take all the edges together. Okay. That is I told Chetan, either dt db or db dt. Both are correct. Both are correct. Chetan, that is I told. Both are correct. Either this one also I can take, or this one also. Yes. Clear to everyone? I hope crystal clear. Crystal clear. Suddenly we went to B. You are at vertex T. I am at vertex T not. It is my available list. Out of the available list, completely available list. Out of the complete available list, which one is the minimum, I will choose that. Okay. Not like that you are in T. Yet it is not like that. It is like that you are making a list, available list. You are adding more. The previous one is also available to you. The previous one you are adding something, some content you are adding. So previous one is also there. Whatever you added new, that is also there. Out of all the availability, now you have to check which one is minimum. I took TB, but TB is 5. That's why we will not take 5. Previously available list, that was 2, that was more minimum. That's why we will take that one. Whenever you are choosing, you have to check out of all availability which one is minimum. It's not like that where you are you have to take that only. No. You are adding all the edges. Out of the all available one, which one is minimum, that is you will choose. Because our target is to make a minimum spanning tree with minimum weight. That is greedy algorithm. Greedy algorithm is always trying to do for a minimum cost. That's why we will not take dt, tb. Other than that, we will take the db. Okay. Clear? Clear? TB is more. That's why I told Kaustubh. TB is 5. If I am telling you there is a course, the course is 5 rupees and another course is 2 rupees. What we will take? Definitely we will take 2 rupees, right? Because it is greedy. We have to think about minimum cost. Out of availability, which one is minimum? Why I will take the maximum one? Why I will take the maximum one? Clear? Clear? Kaustubh and another one was asking Chetan. Chetan, Kaustubh. Why not TB? That is clear. Can I go for question? Everything is clear to everyone? Yes. Nandini, now you tell me what is the difference between Prims and Kruskal? Yes, you can start from anyone. You can start from T also. You can start from A also. You can try. In your home, you can try by starting with A, by starting with B, by starting with D, anywhere. You can start from anywhere. Now tell me what you understand the difference between Prims and Kruskal. You will write down here what is your understanding between difference between Prims and Kruskal. In a short way, write down it in the chat box, and that is only you will write after I will verify. Then you will write it in your notebook. What are the difference between Prims and Kruskal? We will arrange in ascending order, then proceed. In Prims, we start from any vertex, selecting the minimum cost, selecting the minimum cost from there one by one. Together you cannot take, one by one you can go ahead. Kruskal, we will create all the edge at a time. You have to write in Kruskal, focus on edges, Prims focus on vertex. That is okay. No, it is not like that. Prims and Kruskal both are edges. Prims and Kruskal both are trying to find out the minimum cost, but the main difference, Kruskal disconnected होता है but Prims connected नहीं. ऐसा नहीं है. किसने बोला? यहाँ पे ये भी कनेक्टेड है यार, ये भी कनेक्टेड है. बोथ आर कनेक्टेड. ये तो एकदम पक्का है कि आपको बोथ कनेक्टेड करना पड़ेगा, कि ऐसा नहीं है. Technoware Computer Science, you have created a channel for Computer Science and now you are telling that ऐसा नहीं है. अगर किसी को पढ़ाना है तो खुद पहले पढ़ लो, अच्छे से पढ़ लो, उसके बाद पढ़ाओ. ठीक है, पढ़ाओ बट पहले खुद को पढ़ लो. आपने तो एक चैनल बना दिया, मैंने देख रही हूँ, लेकिन आप थोड़ा ठीक से पढ़ लो, उसके बाद पढ़ाना स्टार्ट करो. ये मेरा सजेशन है. ठीक है. क्रुस्कल कनेक्टेड होता है बट प्रिम्स कनेक्टेड नहीं होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. बोथ कनेक्टेड है, क्योंकि स्पैनिंग ट्री का तो पहला ही मतलब ही है कि बोथ कनेक्टेड होना चाहिए, कनेक्शन रहना चाहिए. ये तो पहला सिचुएशन है. बोथ आर कनेक्टेड. थिंग इज विजिबिलिटी. थिंग इज द विजिबिलिटी. What is the difference? Difference is that when we make the Kruskal, in Kruskal total graph at a time visible to me. Out of the total graph you can write it in your notebook. The difference between Kruskal and Prims. When we are starting, total graph is visible to me, and that's why we are making the list of all edges according to weight in a ascending order. All the edges are available to me. We will make a list of all the edges. ठीक है. And what is the difference between Prims? Prims will start with any arbitrary vertex. Total graph is not visible to me. From anywhere, that is my starting point. From a starting vertex we are starting. And from that vertex, whatever available to me, I can proceed with that only. In other vertex maybe some minimum one is available, but that is not available to me, or that is not visible to me. Where I am, from here whatever connected, out of them I have to choose the minimum one. When I visited the next one, then we can add the more edges whatever visible to me now. Now out of the total available list, then we can check which one is minimum and proceed. Again visit another vertex, then add the available list more, then check the total available list, which one minimum, add it. आई बात समझ में? एक से बढ़कर एक आप जा रहे हो, यहाँ पे है तो यहाँ पे कितना है उसको देखो, उसको देख के आप देख लो कि हाँ ये मेरा मिनिमम है, तो चलो उसको ले लो. उसके बाद आप और एक विजिट कर लिया, वो विजिट होने के बाद आप देखो हाँ ये तो विजिट हो गए, अभी कौन सा अवेलेबल है, मैं कौन सा देख सकती हूँ. इधर से पूरा लिस्ट बना लो, अभी 4 अवेलेबल है, 4 के अंदर कौन सा मिनिमम है वो मिनिमम को देख लो. वो मिनिमम अगर देख लो उसके बाद मिनिमम को ले लो, फिर और एक विजिट हो गया, फिर लिस्ट बनाओ, फिर लिस्ट बना के देख लो कौन सा मिनिमम है वो है. एट ए टाइम आप सारे एज को नहीं ले रहे हो, एक एक करके एजेस ले रहे हो, लिस्ट बना रहे हो, लेकिन कनेक्टेड बोथ होना चाहिए कि स्पैनिंग ट्री मतलब बोथ आर कनेक्टेड. ऐसा नहीं है कि कनेक्टेड नहीं होना चाहिए. और जिसको लगता है मुझे हिंदी नहीं आता है, ऐसा भी नहीं है. किसी को लगता है प्रियंका मैम को हिंदी नहीं आता है, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलती हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों को हिंदी में प्रॉब्लम होता है, और अगर मैं हिंदी में भी पढ़ाना स्टार्ट कर दूँ तो बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा शायद, इसीलिए मैं हिंदी में नहीं बोलती हूँ. अगर कोई है हिंदी बच्चा आप लोग बता दो, है चलो कभी कभी मैं हिंदी बोल दूँगी आपके लिए, ठीक है. हो सकता है मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा बंगाली जैसा है, लेकिन बोल सकती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है मैं हिंदी नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, ठीक है. चलो आई बात समझ में, अभी हुआ क्लियर, ठीक है. क्लियर क्लियर. क्लियर. yes, whatever I speak in English, that is only I tell them in Hindi. Don't worry Bhuvana, I know that. Those who don't know English, those who don't know Hindi, whatever I told in English, that is only I translate in Hindi, ठीक है. ओके ओके. That is only I translate. Don't take it otherwise. Take nowhere computer science. Don't take it otherwise. It's always good. Definitely you can teach. But क्या है ना, आप पहले थोड़ा क्लियर करके पढ़ाओ, बस यही है एक रिक्वेस्ट. Don't take it otherwise. ठीक है. चलो. Okay. Now do this. Do this. Now do this. Do this. Do this. I know that you don't know Hindi, that's why I am teaching in English. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will teach in English only. I know that. There are so many learners, those who don't know Hindi, I know that. I know that. Don't worry. Tell me what will be the answer. Now you are telling I have to say Bengali also. तब तो क्लास ही बड़ा हो जाएगा. इंग्लिश, बंगाली, हिंदी. चलो. Yes, 15 is the correct answer. Very good all of you. Yes, everyone is doing correct. अच्छा, now do this one. Now do this one. Do this one. Very good. All of you did correct. Very good. 6. How it is 6, Nandini? Acha, oh, plus 6 you did. That is 15. Yes, correct, correct. Everyone is correct. Now do this one. Do this one, do this one. Everyone do it. Do it. I am coming, okay? Okay, so answers are coming and answer will be 16. That is correct answer, everyone. Yes, 16 is the correct answer. So the good tricks is to do the Kruskal. Whenever this type of big graph is given here, what you will do, take the vertices first, draw the vertices first, and then one by one take the edges. Then it will be easy for you. Okay, draw all the vertices first, then one by one add it. That will be easy and quick. That is more easy and quick. This is the way you can do. So here is 1, here is also 1, here is also 1. These all are the 1 available. So you can take this one, you can take this one also, you can take this one also. After that here is 2. So can I take this 2? Yes, I can take this 2. Here is 2. Can I take this 2? Yes, I can take this 2. Here is 2. Can I take this 2? Yes, I can take this 2 also. Can I take this one now? No, because it will create cycle. Okay, because it will create cycle. After that 3. Can I take this 3? No, because it will create cycle. Can I take this 3? Yes, I can take it. After that, where? After that the 4. So can I take this 4? No, it is creating cycle. Can I take this 1? Yes, this 4 I can take. It is not creating any cycle. Can I take this 4? No. Here already it's done. Actually you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 9 vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges are done. So you can stop. Now you can stop, right? So, but it is, that will be, now add it, 2 plus 1. This is 2, then 1 plus 3. Now you can see this one is 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, so here just add it, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 4, 16. So answer will be 16. Multiple can be there. Definitely it can be multiple way. It can be multiple way. But ultimately answer will be 16. I am choosing this 2. You can choose this 2 also. That will be there. Whatever spanning tree you are drawing, but answer will be same. Always remember, multiple spanning tree can be there, but answer will be same. Okay? Clear? First problem you are not able to understand. Here also same thing. Draw the vertices first, because I have to cover all the vertices, right? That is my target. Draw the vertices first. Then one by one check which one is minimum. 2 is the minimum. Take 2 here. After that next 3 is the minimum. Take 3 here. After that next 4 is the minimum. Take 4 here. Then next 5 can you take? No, because it is creating cycle. You cannot take 5. Now you can take 6. That's why you can take 6. So it will be your answer. That's why 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. That is 15. So 15 is the answer. Okay. Clear? Yes. Clear? Those who are not able to understand the first one. Okay. Yes. Anita, you are doing mistake. That's why you are getting 17. Never. 17 will never come. Always take the minimum one. First complete 1. Then complete 2. Then complete 3. Without taking 2, you cannot jump to 3. Okay. It's confusing because you are not proceeding in correct way. Aruna, Anitha, always remember, first of all you have to complete all the 1. All the 1, whatever available 1. Then go for 2. Complete all the 2. Then go for 3. Without completing 1, you should not take 2. Our always target will be took the minimum 1. Okay, whatever not creating cycle, complete it. Do the correct way, do the correct process, then it will be correct. Always see that here whatever I draw, here only this same thing is there. Yes. So you can take, either taking these 2, you can take these 2 also. That is okay. But any one of them you can take it. If you are taking this, then you have to remove this one because it will create a cycle. What I can do? Here then it will be like this. If I am not taking these 2, then I have to take this 2. This one. Yes. Then I have to take this one. But answer will be same. Answer will be same. Is it or not? Because both are 2 here. Then I cannot take this one, because if I am taking this one, it will create a cycle. I will not take this one, right? So always follow the process. Whatever minimum list, I told you to do the ascending order. That is the process. But in exam hall, we will not do like that. In exam hall, what we will do? Exam hall, we will focus on that ki how quickly I can do. Because exam hall, if you are making list, after that you are doing one by one, then it will be a time taking task. That's why I am telling you, after understanding concept, then do the shortcut. Shortcut is that, yes, I will draw all the vertices quickly, then one by one I will check where are minimum one, draw it, then the next minimum one, draw it. You will get the quick answer. But your concentration is very much important. If you are not concentrating properly, then your answer will be wrong. Practice it. Practice is very, very important. Okay, clear? Vertex 9 and edge, madam. Vertex 9, edge will be 8. Always n minus 1 edges will be there, that I told. Always, whenever n minus 1 edges are done, then you can stop. I told that, right? N minus 1 edges are done, then stop it. So we stop here. Is this clear? Yes. Sophie. Chalo. So now do this one. This is Kruskal's again. It is a home task for you. Acha, do this. This is also Kruskal. This is a home task for you. Okay, this is a home task for you. And do this. Do this. This is Prim's. Do this one. Ma'am, it's possible. Kindly take proper paper 1 class also, please. Yes, we are going to start. Prims and Kruskal both are doing same method, no cycle. Then how apply both graph different? Like one ascending, another start with arbitrary. Yes, yes. This is the Prim's one. Try to do this. This is the Prim's. Do this one. This one you have to do using Prims. Do this. Yes, answers are coming. Those who are telling only one or those who are telling only three, they both are wrong. They both are wrong. Here answer will be 1 and 3, both are correct. Because in option it can be given like that in option, that option A is 1. Option B is 1 and 3. Option C is 3. And option D is maybe another thing. So if you are choosing option A, then also answer will be wrong. If you are choosing option 3, then also answer will be wrong. Your answer is option B, that is 1 and 3. Both possibilities you have to check. Okay, both possibilities you have to check. Everyone. So here 1 and 3 both are the correct answer. Both are correct. Why both are correct? You can see all are starting with A. So my starting point is A here. That is confirmed. Now from here what are available to me? This one and this one is available to me. Out of that 4 is the minimum one. I will take this one only as it is Prims. This other one are not available to me. As per Kruskal, what we will do? This is only I am giving home task. Do it as Kruskal also. This is a home task for you also. Okay. This same question you will do in Kruskal. The same question you will do in Kruskal. And the previous one, whatever we did, that same question, do it in Prims. The previous question, whatever this one you did in Kruskal, do it in Prims. Do it in Prims and start with this one. Like that you can take A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Start with A and check it with Prims how to do. This is the way. If you are practicing, then only your concept will be clear. Previous one also, this one you did in Kruskal, this one try to do with Prims. Do the number like that, A, B, C, D, E. So start with A and check it with the Prims how it will be done. Okay, this is the way you have to think, you have to explore yourself. So here in the Prims it's given what we will do in Prims. You can see as I have to start with A. So I am starting with A and 4 is only available to me. I have to do 4. According to Kruskal, we have to start with HG. If it is Kruskal, then it will start with HG because it is 1. But as I am starting with A here, that's why I am not taking HG here. That is the main difference between Kruskal and Prims. Very carefully understand. Here is my starting point given in the option. That's why I cannot start with 8G here. Okay, Kruskal will always start with 8G. So now what will be happen? Here AB is 4. Now B already visited. Now what are available to me? This one is also available. This one is also available. So both are 8. This is also 8. This is also 8. So that's why I can take 8 this one also, or I can do this one also. A, B, 4. I can take this 8 also. Any one of them I can take, right? So that's why my sequence is AB, after that BC, that is also possible. AB, after that AH, that is also possible. Because both are 8. That's why you have to think AB after that AH, that is also possible. AB after that BC, that is also possible. And here it's to BH, that is definitely wrong. You can eliminate the option. GH, that is definitely wrong. You can eliminate the option. After doing first step only, you can eliminate these two options. Anyhow, these two options are not correct. Now check as per the option, is it correct or not. After that in the option it's took GH. AH after that GH. So as I already took AH, after that GH is 1. Can I take it? Yes. Because it is 1. That is F is also correct. Through the option whenever you are doing, then answer will be more fast. After that CI, is it possible? Can I take CI? Yes, because that is 2. Am I audible? CI I can take. That is possible. No problem. CI. Then they took CD. Is this possible to take CD? CD is 7. Out of all availability, if I am taking IG, can I take IG? Can I take IG now? Because it will create cycle, I cannot take. That's why 6-1 was available, but I cannot take it. I cannot take it. Right. Clear? So here it will create a cycle, I cannot take it. So after that I have to take CD. That is 7. Then they took a DE. Is it? Yes, DE. That is 9. So this option is correct. Same way you can verify this option also. Is this correct or not? So you can see after that they took CI. If you are verifying this option, that will be also correct. After C, I can take CI. CI is 2. That is correct. After that CF. Can I take CF? That will be also correct. Because CF is 4. I can take CF. That will be 4. Then they took FG. Can I take FG? FG. It is 2. Minimum 1. Yes, I can take FG. That is 2. Then take GH. Can I take GH? GH is 1. Definitely I can take. This is the minimum one. Then can I take CD? Yes, CD I can take. Next one is 7. Because other than that any one it is I am not taking, because it will be 7. Other than that 8 or 11, that are also not possible. Then after that DE, yes, the DE. So that's why you can see both are correct. Arbitrarily don't do it. Whenever option is available to you, eliminate the option. Definitely BH is not possible. Anyhow I will not go for BH because it is 11. When 8 is available to me, why I will go for 11? Eliminate it. After AB, here in this option, after AB, GH is there. How I can take GH? Because I am in AB, my visited one A and B. Directly I cannot go to GH. So eliminate it. This is the shortcut in the exam hall you have to apply. Otherwise it will be time taking. You are not getting time in exam hall because you are not following the proper way how to solve in a proper way. Always try to eliminate quickly. After doing the first one only, after taking AB only, you can eliminate this both option. Definitely both option directly eliminate it. Now available only this. Now check it. Is this only one or it is 1 and 3 both? As per the option only go one by one, verify it and do your answer. Clear? Prims, Kruskals, everything is clear to everyone. I hope so. Prims and Kruskal completely clear. I hope so. So tomorrow we will do the shortest path algorithm, Dijkstra and other algorithm. Shortest path algorithm we will do tomorrow. But for today, spanning tree was the target. I hope spanning tree is clear. Yes. Chalo. So do your home task. All of you must do the home task. Whatever home task I am telling. Kruskal, Prims. These are the question only. Try to do fast. First try to do these questions only. After that go for other question. Okay. ठीक है? Yes. Now okay. Everyone clear? I hope so. Chalo. Bye everyone. See you again. 6:45 class is there. 6:45 class, definitely do it. 6:45 class will be for software engineering. Do the software engineering class. And tomorrow again we will do. And those who are asking for paper 1 we are planning for paper 1. Maybe from next week we can start. So give us some time, we will start the paper 1 also. Okay, we are planning for it. From Monday onwards maybe we can start paper 1. Okay, we are very soon paper 1 will also come. Chalo. I will take care. We will take care of everything. Don't worry. Priyanka ma'am is here. Don't worry. Okay. Chalo. Bye everyone. Have a good day ahead. Again we will meet evening. Bye.